Hey guys, today I've seen a first time ever seeing V12 engine in real life. It's too huge. I don't know it's a petrol or diesel, but maybe it's a diesel as I can guess. Seriously, it's too huge, and alongside with that we have this another huge thing that rolled down on the road. Okay, so we are having another V12 engine, as you can see, and it's also diesel, I guess. Yes, it's a diesel. So yes, and this is engine assembly of that. Okay, it's yep, it is, and this is of V6. It's a very high degree V6, I guess. Yep, it's all assembled here. It was only engine block and some studs on that. So yes, it's a V6, and this is from other side to see the specs of engine. As you can see here, it's a supercharged V12 and it produces 780 horsepower at 2000 rpm and max torque at 310 kg FM at 1300 something rpm. So it's like that. So if you want to read more, you can pause video and check. And this is another V12 and its specs are like that. And it is turbocharged V12 60 degree V engine, yeah. Yep, it have 1000 horsepower at 2000 rpm and 400 kg FM at 1300 to 1400 rpm. So like that. And we have that V6 crankcase assembly. Okay, so we have another that V6 we have talked before. Okay, it's only cylinder block with it's a 2 huge, I think. Okay, so it's here. So as you can see, it's a V6 120 degree and 300 horsepower only. Yep, it have more torque than that V12, I guess. And it's maybe it can be a naturally aspirated, I guess. Yep, it is a naturally aspirated 120 degree V6. Who are going to put this in Miatas? Just let me know in the comments below. We have some helicopters there, but only the non-working scale models. Not anything practical here, but yeah, this is a practical thing. Let me show you from the front of it. Yeah, it's like that. That is also used as that, and it's a spec as you can see here. It's like that. You can pause and see. It's a mine protected 6x6 army vehicle, so it's too practical. And there are seats, and it says 9+1 crew को carry कर सकता है, and it have very long cabin sort of thing. I don't know what to say that thing, but yeah, it's a 6x6, so it have 6 differentials, and as I can see, it's that's all. We don't have too much information about it yet, so okay, it's a winch to. Yeah, but there is something written. Okay, vehicle recovery winch. Like that. You can pause and see everything. And okay, you want to see those products online? You can see here. Get it. Fine. So it's a vehicle factory jabalpur, as it says. VFJ, as its logo says. Because guys, we are back because I found a hydrogen powered two-wheeler and it's a fuel cell vehicle, I guess. Yep, it's a fuel cell. As you can see, it's a two-wheeler and it's a fuel cell hydrogen vehicle. How cool is that? There are specs, you can read it. Okay, so and it's a big vehicle, I can say. It's too big. It's not a normal. And here you go. It's a dirt bike kind of a thing, but it's not a hydrogen, I guess. It's a it's a pure electric. You have to charge it as it consumes battery. Okay, so that's how it looks like.